Hey, good morning. It is January the 30th, 2020, and this is Forrest with Forrest Buys Houses. We're at our 3204 Freeman Street property, and we've got a lot of things wrapping up on this thing, and just thought that I would do a video and show you all the progress. So as you guys can see, the gutters are installed, the windows are installed and wrapped. Looks awesome. The plumber's finished all the rough ends, so we've got water in the house now. We'll go around, and the garage is ready so you can see all the windows. I mean, they do a fantastic job. This is Fairway Windows, and they just do an awesome job. So let's see. So we have the garage is still a work in progress. So the siding guy is coming this weekend to get his material list together to get that thing to look like this thing right here. So it's going to look great. We're just going to do the same siding. It's going to look beautiful. And we've eliminated all the windows, and we're just going back with the one door right there, and that should help things out quite a bit. And once we get this thing completely wrapped, it'll look good. So like I said, the windows are awesome. Did a great job. Got a nice big window in the front, and we'll go inside and take a look at the rest of it. So look at that big window right there. That's just awesome. All right, so this house is coming together. This door, nobody's given me a color choice, so I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna do whatever I want to do. So this is the hardwood floor for our floor over there, which I'll show you. Cabinets, hot water heater are all on site. Cabinets are getting installed tomorrow. I'll show you guys a picture of that. The drywall's been done, so they just got one more sand and a light touch up to do, and they're done with the drywall. Painter starts next week, so starts on Monday to finish up. So that's the floor we've had filled in, and so now we need to take that hardwood flooring that was right there, and we're gonna cut all this back where we need to get it cut back to, and then we will tooth it in, and it's gonna be beautiful and proper. So here we have the flooring done. Well, we have the Hardy Backer floor that's been done. We have all the drywall in. We have all the plumbing roughed in. Everything is where it needs to be, and electrical roughed in, HVAC's in. Everything is ready. Just a couple little things left to do before we paint on this. And like I said, the painter starts on Monday. Here's the rest of our materials and trim fixtures and paint and toilet. And so we come over here. You know, that ceiling, it was a good idea. Just go ahead and yank the whole thing out. It really didn't look good. We just got to put that trim back up, and then we got the floor ready in here for cabinets, and we'll put the cabinets in. And then after we put the cabinets in, then we'll paint everything that needs to be painted. But you know, that's just how you do it. So we have a little bit more touch-up work in there we got to do, and I will show you guys what we have. So all the windows, like I said, they've all been done. They're really nice. God does a really good job. So this is the new laundry facility, the laundry area. It was before. So what we did in here, we had the floor ready. We had to finish the installation today. But we had to pull that drywall out. We had to pull all this drywall, as everybody's seen. I'm not a cinematographer. But anyway, what we had the plumber do is we had the old plumbing was out of the wall right here for the washer and dryer. So we reworked everything down into the bottom, down into the subfloor, so that we can get a proper washing system in here. So what this thing does everything. It does the drain, and the supply, and then the hot water heater was here, but it was too close to the panel. It was a comp. Let me step back. So hot water heater was here, but it was too close to the panel. It was conflicting with the clearance requirements. So what we did is we moved the hot water heater over here because there's enough room on this wall for the hot water heater and the washing machine, and then the dryer is already over here, so it'll just get a new receptacle right there, and it'll get fixed for that. So today the installation gets done here, and then they'll get the floor down and get that done. And tomorrow the cabinets go in, and they have to go in because at 1 o'clock the granite guy's coming to get that ordered. So, and then the tile will get started this weekend. So other than that, things are progressing well. The windows look awesome. The house looks great. I mean, it's coming together really nice. So anyway, a couple more weeks and this house will be ready. All right, y'all take care. Continue to follow us on Forest Buys Houses. And if you need anything, so this is the bathroom vanity right here. So I think that'll look pretty good with all the white in there. That'll be a nice little splash of color. All right, y'all take care. Continue to watch these videos, and if you have any comments, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. If you need somebody to buy your house, let me know. I do that too. All right, y'all take care. Have a good day.